Hey tech fans! What if I told you a Chinese startup just cracked the code to making AI smarter than ever, and it's about to change everything? Stick around because DeepSeek's latest breakthrough is rewriting the rules of artificial intelligence, and you won't believe what's coming next. Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing news. DeepSeek, a rising star in the AI world, just dropped a game-changing method to supercharge AI reasoning. And here's the kicker. They're planning to make it open source. That means this tech could soon be in the hands of developers everywhere. So, what's the big deal? Let's break it down. DeepSeek's new method is all about boosting the reasoning power of large language models. You know, the tech behind chatbots like Grok or even ChatGPT. Their latest trick? Something called GRM, Generative Reward Modeling. It's a fancy way of saying they found a better way to train AI to think deeper and solve problems smarter. According to their announcement, this update builds on their already famous R1 reasoning model and V3 foundation model, which have been turning heads since last year. Imagine an AI that doesn't just spit out answers, but actually reasons like a human, only faster. That's what DeepSeek is promising, and the tech world is buzzing. Now, here's why this is huge. First, DeepSeek's GRM models are outperforming older methods, making AI more efficient and more powerful. Second, they're going open source, no locked up secrets here. This could spark a wave of innovation, especially since they haven't set a timeline yet, keeping us all on edge. And third, it's a bold move from China in the global AI race, showing they're not just keeping up, they're aiming to lead. Whether you're a coder, a business owner, or just an AI geek, this could mean smarter tools, cheaper solutions, and a whole new era of tech at your fingertips. So, picture this. An AI that helps you ace your homework, designs your dream app, or even outsmarts your boss in a debate. All thanks to DeepSeek's genius. What would you do with this kind of power? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below. I'm dying to hear them. Oh, and if you're as hyped as I am, hit that like button to let the algorithm know we're all about this AI revolution. Alright Tech Squad, that's the scoop on DeepSeek's AI leap forward. Want to stay ahead of the curve?